Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the full screen mode in the Mozilla Firefox web browser to view websites, for example, on your display in full screen and not in these windows here. So let us dive right into it. So launch Mozilla Firefox, and there are two different approaches to this, guys. The first option would be to click into these three lines in the top right, and from the drop-down menu, click into this button or icon here next to the zoom, not into minus or plus zoom, but into this one here, display the window in full screen. There you have it. There you go. That is going to enable the full screen mode. Now you can close it by pressing F11 on your keyboard. And that is basically also approach number two, guys. If you don't want to do this by accessing this menu here to the right, you may enable the full screen mode by simply pressing F11. And again, turn on, turn off, and so on and so forth. Now, if I enter the full screen mode, guys, you will see that toolbar here to the left. And you may hide this sidebar by simply selecting, or by right-clicking into it and by selecting hide sidebar. And that's basically it. So let me give you an example. And there you go. Now we have a genuine, pristine, full screen mode. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.